Stay behind me.
He's scared. Maya!
That was your grandmother's.
How can the same symbol be here? Why is everyone running?
Animals never run without reason.
Get back from that beast. A frightened giant is still a giant.
He wants us to follow.
An elephant digs. Children imagine. We do not chase mist before breakfast.
He wanted to hurt us. He already could have.
Maya, no.
Then come with us. Nobody knew this was here.
The village.
Sun at the edge. Mountain breaks. River turns. Leave before the last light. That's impossible.
Your grandmother used to tell me a forest slept under stone.
You never told me.
I thought it was a bedtime story.
We have to move everyone before sunset.
Keep calm. Move aside. The children have brought back a large problem, not a miracle.
There is a cave under the mountain. The paintings show the river covering the village.
A symbol is not a landslide.
The same mark was on Taco Stone, in the cave, and here.
No!
Please take the children and the old people to the ridge now.
I saw the paintings.
Panic can kill faster than stone.
What are you doing? If they won't believe, we start with the ones who can't run fast. Old people, babies, anyone with little legs, ridge path. Taro, we have to keep moving.
No! When the marked child returns, Taro, do not wait. Lead them to the ridge. The river must turn. The forest must breathe.
She knew this would happen.
My mother knew this would happen?
Ring every bell.
To the ridge! Follow Taro!
My house is there!
Your house can wait! Your family can't! Maya, look!
The forest under stone.
We were looking at it wrong. There's another painting.
For 100 years I have waited, and the forest is safe.